Sarah, we need to start preparing.
Already, Amijan? But the big winter...
The temperature is dropping fast. I've never seen it this cold in October.
Eat while it's hot.
First, we must bring more firewood inside. As much as will fit in the storage room.
I cut wood today.
Cut more tomorrow.
Much more.
I'm going to the forest edge for more wood.
Be careful, don't go too far.
Ali!
Wake up, child. You must help your father today.
We brought as much as we could carry. The snow is up to my knees already.
Come, hide by the fire.
Gather close.
The water near the door is already freezing.
What does he hear?
Wind.
Let's eat. I made hot soup and bread.
I can't believe it. The snow is taller than a man. We need to dig our way out.
Be careful, my son. Very careful.
Wait, boy. Wait for them. Keep them safe. The roof is clear. We're coming back in.
Come, child. Let me teach you what my mother taught me.
Can I learn too, Daddy?
Of course, little flower. The old ways must pass to the young.
There are gaps in the wood. Cold wind is coming through. We must block them. Let it be in peace. There are gaps in the wood. Cold wind is coming through. We must block them. Let it be in peace.
Wolves!
Wolves, Baba. Real wolves.
Stay quiet, son.
They come down from the high mountains in storms like this.
Ali. Noor. In times like this, everyone must help. Even children.
What should I do, Mama?